I'm going to try and show you how I'm going to do a face-up on this doll that I just got from Kidrobot. It's a Vladonna, and it's by Gina, Garan, and I can't remember the guy's name. Some guy from RuPaul's Drag Race, I think. Anyway, Kidrobot have these. They don't tell you much because, it's Kidrobot. They're kind of indie. So I got this doll. She's really cool. I put a dress on her because she's got big, they're squishy. See how squishy they are? Yeah, and she's jointed all over. She's really cool. There's her legs. Goes with this stand, and she's rooted. They had one with purple hair and one with yellow hair, I think. I just got the black-haired one, and see, she's jointed and everything. And she's got bootay, but she doesn't have a face. You're supposed to, that's Kidrobot's thing with urban vinyl. You're supposed to kind of customize, which is not really that exciting for me. I can, but I don't really like to. But I decided to try this. I cut these out with my silhouette. I got some eyes, graphics, and just kind of manipulated them a little bit to how I wanted them. There's her nostrils, her eyebrows, and then I did her lips in this red. So I think they're a good size. See there. I think it's pretty good. So I will be back. I'll apply them and I'll be back. So let me just pause it. Here she is. The eyes, I like them pretty much. I can color these irises in if I want to. You can use colored pencil or paint. The lips, I don't know. I think I can do the lips a little better just with pencils. But I kind of like her. It's better than no face. So she's kind of fun. I think this vinyl is the type that you can paint and draw on pretty easily. I think that's sort of their thing. So, and she came with this stand. So she's kind of fun. I like her. So, and I don't give her a little, I can give her a little blush. That's the easy part. The hard part's these brows and this. Painting the eyes, definition for the eye, except a dent here. So, that's what I got. If I make any improvements to her, I'll show you. Bye-bye, everybody.